Hello, welcome to Study Units. Study Units is the books you teach. It could be numbers, colors, the alphabet, shapes, or start at level 1 to master level 12. You can load all your sight words or keywords under Study Unit. Let's get started. Click on the white button that says Go to Study Units. This is the instructional page. This is for your reference when you need help and guidance. Now we need to load a new unit. All you need to do is click on the white block and type the name of the book you are teaching. Mine is Master Level 1. Please remember, study unit names cannot be edited. Master Level 1. Now I need to load a module. So we go to module 1 to 10. And my module name is called Units. My units are from numbers 1 to 12. Your module name could be called chapters or it could be called modules. If you have the same module name but different numbers, Eezi Feedback has an amazing feature that will load all the module names for you. All you need to do is go to the instruction page. At the bottom right-hand corner, you can fill in your detail. So mine has already been set up as units, but you can type in chapters and you can change the numbers. So mine is 12 and press fill. Go back to module 1 to 10 and you can see that all my module names have been filled in. Now I need to load my keywords. My keywords are solar power, recycle, renewable, and energy. I'm going to load it under Unit 5. Please remember to add commas where needed. And do not put a full stop at the end of the word. Another fantastic feature is you do not need to load all your keywords at once. You can load them as you need them. Remember, if you load keywords under Unit 1, for example, those keywords will stay there until you edit them. Let's load my keywords. Unit 5. Solar power, comma, recycle, comma, renewable, comma, and energy with no full stop. Now click on Add Units. All your information has been saved. Now you think, oh dear, I need to edit the unit I just did. I forgot to add a word. All you need to do is click Edit Unit, go to the drop-down arrow key, and look for the module you did. It is all in alphabetical order, so it is very, very easy to find. Double-click on the Master Level 1 that we did, and you can see that there is my keywords. Now, I want to add in solar panel. All I do is click on the block, solar panel, comma, and click Update Changes. Everything has been added. Now I just want to check. Go to the drop-down arrow key, click on Master Level 1, and there you can see all my keywords have been added. Thank you, Eezi Feedback, making feedback easy.